Excuse me.
I'm here to have fun. Leave it at that.
Thank you, bud. There it is. Yeah, that thing was in there somewhere. Alright guys, I don't know what it is, but it's a big piece of steel. Probably been in the ocean a while. Alright, I guess I'm gonna try to keep it. There's no telling what it is. But anyway, moving on. Not too good of a night out here, man. I mean, we just had a hurricane come through here, and it's like there's barely any targets, but I see there's holes everywhere. So somebody's already beat me to the punch out here, I think. But anyway, it is what it is. It's all a good time anyway. All right, moving on, guys. It was an old dime. See how it's got that green and that like red tint to it? That's been in the ocean. Alright guys, I finally got something sparkly in the sand down there, but it's hitting on a negative. Looks gold, but I don't think it's gold. Anyway, I'm on the north side of the pier now. I'm just sitting here talking to myself. It's like, damn, man, you know, all that wind, I mean, all that rain and all that movement of the sand, and there's just, I don't know, it's odd. That's melody happening. Just thought it'd be a little bit better. I guess it's gonna take a few days for it to subside, you know. But, you know, I guess you could find stuff months or up to years later from the storm. Alright guys, moving on. Heading on back to the car. Yeah, I was talking to that lady up there. She was holding a light for me. And I said, man, I've got literally nothing all the way to this point. But I said, I see so many holes. I said, somebody done beat me to the deal out here. She's like, yeah, people come out here at night that, you know, dang, the water's coming way up. Yeah, that got me there. I can't get these shoes soaking wet. And man, it went way on up too. I might have to let that one go. But anyway, yeah, there's targets out here. It's just, if it was daytime, I'd be able to see a little bit better. It's just, it's hard to see anything out here, even with the lights. See the hotel. I'm right here at the Sheraton. Right there is the lifeguard station. You got the pier probably about 200 yards away. Yeah, that was way on down here and was like, where was it at? I think it was like right in here somewhere. Nah. It must have been not that deep. Alright guys, I'm gonna move on. I hate to go to pass up a target like that, but I just can't get to it right now. Moving. Alright guys, I was digging and digging.
What is it?
It's an earring. It's an earring.
Yeah, that's what it is. Might be worth something.
Hey, I appreciate you giving me the light. I can see it.
No problem. You know, it could be solid platinum.
You know, it let off a good number.
Oh, it's pretty too.
Yeah, it's got some
writing on it.
huh.
That's sterling. That's all the way sterling. You need the matching one.
That's what I'm saying. Usually when you find
that is the beautiful one.
Usually when you find,
do you see what you got?
It's hard to see.
Okay.
Cool.
It is very cool.
Nice. That's what I'm thinking. There might be another one down there.
That's what I'm saying. Do it again and see.
Let me see what number it comes out, because I kept getting different numbers. I can kind of tell what it is just by the... But see how it's giving me negatives?
That's not it.
Something on it is... It could be real, but something on it is fake. That's why it's throwing up all those. But it is cool. That's telling me something good.
I'll let Steve go around your hole again.
It's
Sorry, dude, I ain't got nothing else to do.
It's telling me something good, that there might be other goodies around.
Exactly.
Kind of like it might be a patch right here, and it might be over here. But if you notice, there's holes everywhere. Somebody's already been out here earlier.
Oh, they hit it when it stopped raining last night.
I think they did. They probably lived down here too, because they said you weren't allowed out here, but they probably snuck out here and got all the goodies.
They lie.
All right, guys. I don't know if it's me tonight, man, but these targets are just loud. They're not usually this loud, but you know, I'm usually out here during the day, so that's probably different. Where is it at now? Yeah, I meant to bring this pair of like reading glasses I got just to see stuff. There it is right there. Yep, penny. I was hoping that earring could have been something, but I can't read it till I get home. It's a fishing light. Alright, moving on. The dime, I think it might be a dime. It's just really loud to be a dime. Yep. If you can see it too good. What the world is this? Got me puzzled on this one, guys. It's like something, two of them together or something. Penny it up. Well, guys, pulled that up too. That was down there by the water. Look how rusty that is. That's been down there for a while. That good little jig or whatever you call them.